Friends of DiamondTrail Ranch, do you have a Barbados cherry growing on your property? These guys handle cold a lot better than the Jamaican cherry that I have a video on as well on my channel, which is right over there. These Barbados cherries right here, they handle it worse than citrus, I'll be honest with you. Okay, better than Jamaican cherries, worse than citrus. If your Barbados cherry has ever dropped leaves after a cold front, guys, that's normal. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now how to protect yours during freezing weather. So the temperature tolerance for a Barbados cherry is going to have damage begin around 34 degrees. Your young trees can start to lose some leaves around 32 freezing, 32 Fahrenheit. Okay, hard freeze may kill the tips. Not the whole tree per se, but the tips. I'm going to tell you an easy protection step to cover your tree completely, please, with a sheet. You can use a light blanket. You want to wrap the trunk or the base with blankets as well around the base of it. You want to add mulch to keep the roots warm. Potted Barbados cherries, if you do have those, I highly suggest moving those this time of year to your porch or your garage, okay? The trick, you want to get some heat trap here, okay? Frost cloth touching the ground is crucial to help keep that heat trapped in there. Also, water jugs, Christmas lights for extra warmth. Don't use LED. You want to make sure you get the kind that get hot. Leaves will fall. This is normal. Don't fertilize immediately. Wait until the spring to prune. Guys, that's Barbados cherries. A little more resilient than the, actually significantly more resilient than Jamaican cherries, and but not quite as citrus. Okay, so let me know how your Barbados cherry handles the cold weather where you live, and God bless.